Okay guys, welcome to this new channel. This new channel is all about maths and science. So if you're interested right now, you can subscribe so that you won't miss out some more questions. You can see here I have maths paper 1 questions from 1 to 3. The first one, which says factorize completely 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 6. The second one says solve the equation a to the power x is equal to 128. And then the third one says evaluate 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power negative 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. So we are going to solve these questions together. So first of all, we need to write solutions. So we are going to start by solving question number 1. Factorize completely 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 6. So 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 6. So when you come across such a kind of equation, what you need to do is to first find the product, sum, then factor. Like this. So the product simply means the first number multiplied by the last number. So 2 multiplied by negative 6, which will give us negative 12. Then sum simply means the middle number. And here we have the middle number. Here we have negative x. Well, we can't write negative x because they represent numbers here. You can't write negative x here. So what we know is negative x is negative 1. And then factor here. These are two numbers where when you multiply them, they should give you negative 12. And when you add them, they give you negative 1. So we are going to find those numbers. So let's try out 3 and 4. So if you multiply 3 and 4, you get positive 12. But here we have negative 12. So 3 and 4, they don't qualify. Then let's try to make one number a negative. So let's have 3 and negative 4. So if you say 3 times negative 4, we have negative 12. Then when you say 3 plus negative 4, 3 plus negative 4, we are going to have 3 minus 4. Then this we are going to have negative 1. So 3 and negative 4 qualify to be factors of this expression. So 3 and negative 4 are the two factors. Now from here, when you are done with this stage, what you need to do is to rewrite the expression again. 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 6. Like this. So these two numbers, they are going to replace the middle number here, the sum. That's what these two numbers are about. So 2x to the power 2. Then this is carrying a positive. Forget about this negative because we are only concerned about these two numbers. So this is carrying a positive. That's why we have a plus here. 3x to carry a variable, this variable. Then this will carry its sign and this variable. Then 6. And guys, this expression is a quadratic equation. That's its name. So it's a quadratic equation. So okay, we are here. So we have how many terms? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you have reached this stage, what you need to do is to look at 2 terms and 2 terms independently. So here we are going to look at these 2 terms first. After that, we are going to look at these 2 terms again. So we have 2x to the power 2 plus 3x. We factorize these 2 terms. So the common factor here is x. Then we open brackets. 2x squared divided by 2x. But no, I mean x divided by x. So we are going to have 2x. Like this. Then this positive comes here. This divided by this, we are going to have 3 here. Then we come to these 2 terms here. So what's the common factor here? It's negative 2. because -2 can go into here, can go into here. So this and this, they cancel each other, which means we are going to have a positive. Then 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Then this x comes here. This and this also, they cancel each other, so we are going to have plus x. Then this and this, we are going to have 3. When you have reached at this stage, for you to find out whether what you have solved is correct or not, you need to look into the brackets. Here we have 2x plus 3, and here also we have 2x plus 3. So it means what you have solved is correct. So we are going to get one bracket like this. Then we get this x, then -2. So on here we have solved. So guys, let's hope you are following what I'm solving, because I don't want to leave anyone behind. This channel, I'm concerned about your academics. So guys, if you are also concerned about your academics, please subscribe so that you won't miss out some more questions concerning maths paper 1. So we are on number 2. Solve the equation h to the power x is equal to 128. Number 2, h to the power x is equal to 128. So these kind of equations, simply they want you to find the value of x here. So in these kind of equations, what you need to know is it's either you find the same powers or you find the same bases. So here simply what you know is you can't find the same powers, because here we have the value of x here. So what they need us to find is the same bases. So h to the power x can also be written as 2 to the power 3 in brackets, then x here. Then 128 can also be written as 2 to the power 7, like this. So here we have the same basis, so which means this and this, they cancel each other. Then 3 times x, we are going to have 3x is equals to 7. Then here we are going to find the value of x by saying 3x divided by 3, 7 divided by 3. This and this, they cancel. X will be equal to this into this. You have 2, remainder 1 over 3, like this. So from here, we have found the value of x. If you want to confirm, what you will do is h, then on x, we shall put, instead of putting this, we shall put this one, 7 over 3, like this. So it will be, this over represents what? It represents a square root. The over. When an over is in the power, it represents a square root. Just the over, not the whole expression here, but that's the over. Then this will come here, which is 3. 8 will come here, like this. Then 7 it will come here. Then what is the cube root of 8? That's 2. Then 7 will come here. You can see that we are on this stage here. You have seen. So which means this we have confirmed that what you have solved here is correct, and the value of x what you have found is the correct answer. So guys, we are on number 3. But guys, number 3, we are going to solve it in the next video. So guys, subscribe so that you won't miss out. And in the next video, I'll be coming with multiple questions which come in paper 1. So guys, subscribe. Have a happy day.